Count the boy 147 from Kasempa. Give it up, Mumbai. Loco is like Kambai. Kenchi Kapwane. Puta mwewe tu bagaji. Kapulane luna babiga permanent. Kenchi Kapwane. Puta mwewe tu bagaji. Kapulane luna babiga permanent. Permanent. That is an artist from Kasempa. Why am I playing his song? Okay. This young boy is very talented. Count the boy 147, that's what he goes by. Anyway, so my point is, I pose the question, nakwipuja jipujomba. Shikasempa bemba groundbreaking ya more. Hey, basendele ku maloko artistingi bakaletere tubalusaka. And then ngubishai kafwapo lukatajo kuleta balusaka. I enjoy that man's music. I love him. What I'm trying to say, ndio mimi nakwambia kwamba banyike benakuitwala benakwibika ko music production a jimonka. Ngiwo batampijire po bashinkula floor, panopana po byake yawa mkulumpe wabo waiya kufuma kulusaka wamona mba kunonako kujibe talent mwibo bako connect banyike in that way mwamona yoki kala so ma organizers way forward try to involve bebanyike mena kwimba sana bulongo kujiba kwa bako yonka pano kaonde boy 147 that's it. So next time Mumbai mwalete wakwa wakusaka pano platform ya initially mwabika po maloko zimbai mwiba kwa sheko banyi pa kwamba nao bakayepa palutwe mbai mwayuka amsaru wajinga panshipa naye wafano kuyabepi wape ulu I love you mbai temwewe tumbai ujitu permanent kapwane utemwewe tu bagiji Leo mamba ikekala permanent. Keche mukapwane. Ute moyo wetu. Je pone kujapo. Mamba ikekala permanent. Permanent. Awe ute moyo my baby. Permanent. Ya kwetu mbai.